How to repair your AC at home, easy step-by-step guide. In today's video, we are going to walk you through how to repair a common issue with your air conditioner. If your AC is blowing warm air, making strange noises, we'll show you step-by-step how to diagnose the problem, fix it. In this video, 1. Diagnosing common AC issues. 2. Checking the filter, coils, and coolant. 3. Fixing airflow problems. 4. How to safely clean and maintain your AC unit. Tools you'll need: 1. Screwdrivers. 2. Pliers. 3. Replacement filter. 4. Coil cleaner. 5. Gloves and safety goggles. Contact us on 8888797157. Our website: www.quickfixes.com. Thank you for watching.